position.
Hey, Paul, looking comfortable? Say hi.
Oops, was that the Christmas video?
No. Hi, it's Christmas.
Who's in charge of dressing?
Say hi to Grim Edith or somebody. All right, good.
I don't know what's happening. That's just for you.
Hey, Baggy, wave hi.
I need hair on the ball.
You gotta tell the story to the camera.
I don't want to. I quit.
Show the camera.
Hey, Cora, show me. What is it?
Alright.
Whoa, that's awesome. What'd you get, Madeline? It's a teacher set. Whoa, that's so cool. What is it, Maggie?
I got keys.
No. Catherine, on the piano is a knife. Can you bring it to me?
Hey!
You got going on there.
Joey said.
Maggie, do you need a knife? I have your
What is it, Maggie?
Here, you know what would be funny, Maggie, is the box is empty.
Empty box.
Maggie, why don't you tell us how you really feel? That's what you got.
Bike rack.
Yay!
What'd you get?
What'd you get? Yay! Super fancy pool cue. Yeah? Look at you. Oh my goodness.
Maggie, you want to take it out or not?
Maggie!
Oh my God. You gotta play something.
It's weird. Your lips are moving, but nothing's happening.
Can you come try it for me?
What's that, Paul?
Alright, go sit down.
Maggie, play us a song. Play us a song, funny man. Whoa, that thing is awesome. It is red. Joey, they fit you.
Hey! Check it out! Oh, I thought he was showing his leg.
Ain't nobody want to see that.
Yes, you can open it.
Open it. Girls, you guys got gifts. Open
Open
them.
it.
Madeline, Lila, that one's yours. Open it. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry. Yeah, where's my Christmas music?
No matter what.
Isn't that pretty? Sarah, yay! Grammy just got the best gift ever. Here, give it to Mom. Yay!
Madeline, can you even hold it up and see what it was?
Show me what it is.
Not Sarah, because you got a tongue on your shirt.
Let me see, Madeline. Wow. Oh, Mom, huh? What is that?
That's cool. It's a big water bottle. I love it. Is this for Madeline? No, that's for Martha.
Parks and Rec. That's her favorite one. Yeah, that's her
Give it to
favorite.
Martha. Martha's present. Now let's open your present.
No!
That's okay,
Thank you!
That's the
Yay!
way you get to open everybody's present.
We'll open
Thank you,
You
Madeline.
got another present, Madeline.
She was probably so confused.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. We're gonna have to separate these, otherwise they're all gonna fight over it. And I'm not gonna lose it. Who got the horse? Did you get the horse? Where did you go?
Yeah.
This is Madeline.
what that is, right?
Who's passing out presents?
That's intense.
Alright, ready, set, go. Cora has 2. Lila has 2 right now.
What kind of Christmas present is that?
A princess skirt. It's beautiful. She's like, I love it. And then she goes
It's a fresh like
right
berry.
next to your arm is Lila. Oh, nice. Thank you, Mom. Hey, Madeline, turn over here and show me. That's crazy. Ah! No, Cora, Lila, I don't think that's yours, baby. I think that's or that is yours. Okay. Okay.
Sure.
Yes, it is. This is Lila.
Oh, Rachel's getting crazy. She's got her hair down.
Hey, Cora, here. Look for you.
That's all.
This is Lila.
Lila, what did you get? Maggie, you lied to me! You lied! You lied, you little jerk. Okay, well, my lie was better. What did you get? Oh my gosh, they're like... Water bottle? That's awesome, Madeline. No, we gotta pick up the trash first.
Which one's where's the gift for me?
Sorry, these are
Jane said this.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Okay, don't do that. Yay! Look what I got. Don't do that. What'd you get?
What?
Paul has a big stick.
I forgot to. Madeline, look at what is that?
I beg to differ.
Yay!
I don't think he's got
Maggie, what's your favorite gift so far? What's that mean?
There you go.
I can do stuff. You gotta go, Is that the
You
lady?
Mary. Alright, Cora, where's yours that you got? Is this what you got?
I was gonna say, why does it sound like yours just got knocked out?
Mary. There's Cora. That's a very good thing. Mom, this looks really cool.
Mom is so smart. I was her when she bought that. I was like, how did you get that idea? Oh, Sarah loves these things. Oh, well, yeah, because I haven't played the whole thing of the whole Pirates of the Caribbean one. Rachie, Joseph, wave hi to the camera.
Oh, these are really pretty.
Sure.
I really like these. Mom, what is this?
It's a puzzle.
Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
There's no color.
That means you're always a winner.
No, it's not a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, I know. That's the two.
No, don't put something in there. Hand it to me.
Senior citizen food.
Nah.
Hey, girls, are you guys having fun? Oh, that sounded excited.
Madeline, did you see the shirt that has a unicorn on it?
What is it? Show me. A pocket?
You got a pocket.
For the kitties? What do you mean?
Oh my
See
god.
that I
You found a necklace. Grandma just sent you a necklace.
Oh my
Isn't it
gosh.
pretty?
Are you alright?
Is that pretty? Do you like it? She thought the gift was the pouch. Cora came to me and she goes, a pouch! She didn't see the necklace.
That's a pretty good
This is
gift.
for your necklace, so take it to mommy.
What's on the face of it?
Oh, show grandma.
What is that? Oh,
Oklahoma.
I was about to say, I was like,
Thank you. Maggie, that's awesome. Thank you. Hey, Paul. Did you get what you wanted?
What did you get?
Now you gotta open my gift, and I gotta tell you the story.
Jesse.
Oh, look at that smile. She's so fly.
Hey, you gotta get. We can't see you.
I'm not gonna tell the other two then.
Okay, never mind. Never mind. Go back.
Go back.
Go back.
no.
Go back. Merry Christmas, Jesse. You're on the camera. Socks. Ah. It's okay.
You want me to build it for you?
No, you gotta build her with her.
With